I was looking for the northern folks when I came up earlier. There was a gator out here basking in the sun right over there on the grass, but Daytona Beach, baby. I don't see him no more. You're lost. So Train Supply had these in stock. Safety switch. So I got it right down there. Wired it up through the chase, up through the chase. Corporate management wants it wired to run. The thermostats are monitored, so therefore it kills the stat on the monitoring company, and they will put a service ticket in. When it's wired to yellow, I can't wire that one-handed. I'll put that on in a second. When it's wired to yellow, the unit runs as normal operation, and nobody knows nothing. These trains are famous for getting nasty, so I took a pair of needle nose pliers, bent this up. A little hard to get that screwed on tight, but that's where she goes, and when that overflows, we'll kill the power. The old safety switch setup, these sensors go bad. I'm sure they can be replaced, but Train didn't have them, so that's what I went with, man. Happy HVACing, guys.